kasi I'll be moving, my family and I will be moving to the Netherlands. So, February pa naman. But, nagkataon kasi I'll be releasing an album. So, I will have an album launch. And then, nag-usap kami ng GNN. I asked for their help na, can you help me with the album launch? And then I said na, aalis din ako. And then they said na, what if isa na lang? Kasi I have to, of course, have time prepare with our move. No? So, yung farewell is more of, well, global, madali naman mag-travel, madali naman yung technology with regards to music. So, with regards to music, hindi naman siya farewell. But I think it's more of the gigging, no? I can't really play as often as I want to here in the Philippines. It's harder and I really hate flying. Yun, honestly, I don't like flying, and so I feel like if I'm there na, and I've settled na, I don't think, I'll be coming back pretty soon. Maybe like, I don't know, 5 years. Hindi ko masasabi, no? Maybe kung merong emergency na family here na I really have to come back. Pero, I really don't like flying. So parang feeling ko, hindi ko talaga magagawa yung going back and forth. If ever may showing or whatever. So kaya farewell. Yun yung farewell ko. And then, it's more of parang despedida, you know? Parang it's a new season. So I just want to make it special and to just honor the people that I've worked with and just celebrate with me and also through music, yung night na yun. So yun yung mangyayari.